Hey! Hey! Colby! What that is? What that is in your hand? You already know.
You got the fishing pole?
It's in the truck. Let's do it.
This shit right here.
You?
Black guy with a gun? That's not gonna make it, man.
I was thinking about it. Honestly, we were thinking the same thing.
Yeah, the house is.
What's gonna happen if we shoot that, Terrence?
Huh?
What's gonna happen if we shoot one of them rippers?
I don't know if I want to shoot it anymore.
What up?
What y'all doing?
Shit, we about to go do some fishing.
Fishing?
Yeah.
Where?
Out at Michael Ann's house. Y'all look just alike.
Huh?
Huh?
So I know there's some bitch in the back seat can't fish.
I can shoot.
That's it.
You can't shoot to the bone, dog.
Who can't?
You.
Boy, I hate black people now.
Hey.
Shit, what you about to do?
A bander on.
What you shooting, Terrence? You brought your pistol?
Oh, Schmitty.
I didn't know they allowed you to have a pistol.
Me neither. Fish for black people.
It had nothing to do with you being black. Just to let YouTube know.
Sorry.
It was about your warrants.
Yeah.
Shit,
The torpedo. You started from a construction company?
No. You ever met Tyler Laws? This is his brother in the back seat.
Forget Tyler.
Hey, do you know Tyler Laws?
Migraine!
This is his brother in the back seat.
Migraine!
Did you tell Terrence what you did
What?
with the SPD?
You don't watch our
SBC production.
Oh yeah, I deleted it accidentally, so I'm gonna need another one.
What?
When she says this is the SBC
the
production.
outro thing.
You deleted it?
Yeah, I accidentally deleted it.
I know, it's a sad day, bro. I know.
Terrence said the only reason why we came to Popeyes was because he was here.
Oh, we actually decided before you came.
Boy, that's what he said. You having a tough.
Oh my god.
Colby don't know how to ride that thing.
Here we go. Yeah.
Sit on the back of it.
What you know about those, Terrence?
I'll walk this so much across this field. Do the
other
one, that was dominant leg. Which one's the back brake on the handlebars?
he don't know how to use a back brake. You gotta lean back while you do it.
It ain't gonna do it in a high gear. I throw your body back. Get off the hill first. Put your foot farther back.
I don't think that's how you do it.
You gotta be a rider in that house.
See Terrence do it one time. I think everybody can do it. It looks like mini four-wheeler on
Yeah.
Natural habitat.
I swear. That's what they do out there in Elm Grove all day, I guess.
Riding on four wheels
Yeah.
right now. I used to seeing that with him. See how long you can hold him up.
I like our bodies right now. You wanna see it?
He's got to ride it everywhere because he don't got a truck.
He ain't got the truck.
We finna look. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thumbnail. That's the thumbnail. Hey, this is it right here. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, it was. Hey, do that one more time for the thumbnail.
I see a shoe way back here.
That thing took you for a ride.
Damn foot fillings out of there.
You'll end up like the grizzly with more burn marks on your leg. Look, hey, now Colby's gonna start trying to do wheelies.
can't really see it like that.
Terrence never shot a gun before. He's out here trying it out.
Scared. Not even country, bro. I don't even know what country is. If you watch my videos, you'll know that.
Those 3 videos?
Yeah. That's all I do is go to Chick-fil-A and go home. And
Chick-fil-A? We went to Popeye's all good.
Talk about sneakers. I'm city.
Were you disappointed with your visit to Popeye's all good?
Yeah, bro. Who eats that greasy?
I like
Country
it.
honky tonk shit. Do it to the damn PVC.
All right, you ready? You got the GoPro ready?
Oh, should we go put the GoPro way up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should.
Where do you want to put it at?
Hop on the back.
The first one.
Tony's finna blow up some Tannerite.
The rest of them was hurt.
Tell me when you're about to do it.
Hey, turn the scope on. Rex, no, it was Rex last time I brought.
Now get down to dirt, John Wayne.
You going safety?
No, son.
Go ahead, Tony.
Let her eat. Wow.
This
Okay, shit.
took my shot.
I thought Colby got the next shot.
He did. I missed.
Hey, happens to the best of us.
Hey, that dang sight is not. That is not 30 yards.
Who was saying you couldn't shoot? Cody? I think Cody said, dang, dude, you need to work on your aim. Hold on, Colby. No, Cody, that's who I was talking about. All right.
It's a small ass target.
All right, Colby.
Is the dot bigger than it? Is the dot bigger than the target? Damn it. Probably had to use them iron sights. Up to the right.
Show them how to do it.
Small ass target.
Yeah, I think the dot needs to be turned down a little bit.
Turn down on the top.
Yeah.
Hey,
If I'd have scoped it,
it's not just me. See, it's his gun. He got it all messed up. Going left.
Left?
Yeah.
That was right.
to the right that time.
Hey, I'm putting this on
Are you
YouTube.
zoomed in?
No, not anymore.
Good, that's good. That's good YouTube.
I hope I got that on the video. He hit his car with the 4-wheeler. Freaking goof.
Goofy.
Cause you know he can't drive. No, don't blame it on the freaking headphones.
Slow, Tony.
Practice for it, I got this thing. I believe.
This is it right here. I see it.
I can feel it. You steady back up.
Hey, that was first shot from up here. That was first shot from
Where
up
you
here.
aimed at on that one?
Dead on.
Yes.
That was not 30 yards. That was 30 yards. That was 50 yards.
Don't shoot.
What the big they got in there, Tannerite?
Dude, they got pounds.
Hey, it stood that barrel back up.
Where you can mix as many pounds you want together.
Yes, the GoPro's still recording. Dang.
Did you hear me, Terrence?
Yeah.
You can mix as many pounds. The stuff we do, man.
Hey, he about lost it in the lake there.
Hello.
He talking about that thing won't go in gear.
Hello.
Oh yeah, he about lost it. Don't hit mine like you hit yours now.
Huh?
All right, we gotta go, Colby. Come on, come on, we gotta go. Radiator, tomater, refrigerator, potato. I don't give a damn. You see who really came and got me, huh? You think that duck ain't you bitch?
you really gonna do it? Hey, Kelly, you got a
Get on the
video.
back of my car.
I got it, son.
All right.
This ain't my first rodeo.
Okay, go.
If you do a double backflip, I'll sponsor you.
Letter 8.